Now let's try to solve question number 3. Roman numeral for the greatest 3-digit number is dash. So we have 4 options over here. Definitely we know that 999 is a greatest 3-digit number. Why? Because if you add one more digit to this number, you will get 1000, and 1000 is a 4-digit number. So definitely we have to represent this 999 as Roman numeral, right? So before solving this problem, you must know about the Roman numeral chart, which basically represents how to convert your numbers in the form of Roman numerals. Okay, as you can see, we have just represented the numbers 1 to 10, 11 to 100, and like 200, 300, 400, 500, okay, up to 1001. So you can see that 1 is represented by single line and 5 is represented by V, capital V, and this 10 is represented as cross, capital cross, okay, X, and this 50 will be represented by capital L, and 100 will be represented by capital C, and 500 will be represented by capital D, and 1000 will be represented by this capital M. Now you should also know about important rules for Roman numerals. Without knowing these rules, you cannot solve this problem. So let's start one by one. So the first rule says repetition of a symbol means addition. Let's say we are saying that we are writing like this, okay, this one line, second line, and third line together. So which means we are adding, because we know 1 is represented by this single line. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, you will get 3. Okay, if I'm writing like this, so we have 2 lines, so which means we are adding, so you will get 2. And in the second rule, you can see smaller number written to the right means addition. If we are writing the smaller number in the right hand side, which means we are adding to that number. Let's say we are writing like this LX, which means we are adding this 10 to this 50. Okay, so you will get 50 plus 10, you will get 60 like this. Or if we are writing like this LXX, which means L, you know very well, okay, L is represented by 50 and X is represented by 10. So if we are writing XX, okay, in right hand side, so we are adding. So we have 10 10, we are adding this 10 10 to this 50. So 50 plus 10 plus 10, you will get 70. And the rule number 3, a smaller number written to the left, it means subtraction. So if we are writing any smaller number in the left hand side, which means we are going to subtract, right? So if we are writing like this, so this C is your definitely 100 and this is 10. So we are going to subtract this 10 from this 100. So 100 minus 10, you will get 90. So 90 will be the correct answer. So this is how we have to follow these rules to solve this problem. Now let's try to get the exact answer. We can break this 999 as 900 plus 90 plus 9. So ultimately you will get 999. So how we can write 900? See why I have written this number like this, because while writing this number, okay, this becomes very easy to solve because we can convert. The conversion becomes very easy. So how we can write 900? So we know how to represent 1000. Okay, so if I show you that 1000 is represented by M. So if we subtract only 100 from this M, okay, which means C, so you will get 900. So definitely if we have to follow the subtraction, then we have to keep your numeral in the left hand side. So you can write M first, okay, and then you have to write C over here, because we are trying to subtract. This M is nothing but your 1000 and this C is 100. So what we did, 1000 minus 100, so you will get 900. Now how we can write this 90? In the same manner, we have to use 100 minus 10. Okay, we can write this 90 as 100 minus 10. So 100 is represented by C, okay, you can see like this, and 10 is represented by x. So definitely you can write C and then x, because we have to follow subtraction, right? C is nothing but your 100 and capital X is your 10. So what we did, 100 minus 10. So 100 minus 10 will give you 90. This is how we have written this 90. Likewise, we can write 9 as well with the help of 10. You have to subtract only 1 from this 10. Okay, so we can write 10 and then you have to subtract only 1. So what we did, this is 10 and this single line is nothing but 1. Okay, so 10 minus 1 you are getting 9, 100 minus 10 you are getting 90. So this is the correct answer for this problem. So now you can match it. Okay, this one is matching exactly with this one. So option B is the correct answer for this problem.